You're in a quiet meeting. Suddenly, a low, embarrassing rumble. Everyone in the room heard it. Everyone politely pretends they didn't. Here's the strange part. You weren't even hungry when it happened. You had eaten an hour ago, so why did your body betray you? The sound, it turns out, has a name: borborygmus. From the ancient Greek, a word built to imitate the noise itself. And despite what everyone assumes, it has almost nothing to do with hunger. Your digestive tract is a 9-meter-long muscular tube, coiled inside you. It never stops moving, not when you eat, not when you sleep. Every 90 minutes or so, something extraordinary unfolds inside it. A slow wave of contractions sweeps from your stomach down through your intestines. Scientists call this rhythm the Migrating Motor Complex. Working in the 1970s, they traced its 3 repeating phases in the gut. The wave works like a janitor, moving through the corridors between meals. It sweeps leftover food, mucus, and stray bacteria toward the colon. And that sweeping motion is exactly what you're hearing. The growl is not your stomach asking for food. It is your stomach taking out the trash. 3 distinct phases run, one after another, like clockwork through the gut. Phase 1 is silence. Muscles rest for 40 to 60 minutes. Phase 2, gentle, irregular contractions stir whatever still remains inside. Phase 3, powerful waves push everything forward at full muscular force. Phase 3 is when the noise happens: air, fluid, and muscle colliding. The sound is gas and liquid squeezed through narrow, twisting tubes of tissue. It's the same physics as water gurgling down a half-empty kitchen pipe. 90 minutes, the average length of one full housekeeping cycle. The moment food touches your stomach, the cycle stops completely. Your gut quietly switches modes, from cleaning the hallways to digesting. That is why even a small snack silences the growl almost instantly. But the quiet is only temporary. 90 minutes later, the wave returns. In 1972, researchers in Canada traced the hormone driving the entire rhythm. Brown isolated the peptide from pig intestine, then named it Motilin for motion. Motilin is released by specialized cells lining the small intestine. Its levels rise and fall in near-perfect step with each housekeeping wave. Block Motilin in the lab, the growling stops. Inject it and it starts. Your intestines contain their own dedicated nervous system, called the enteric nervous system. Around 500 million neurons live there, more than in your spinal cord. This enteric brain runs the show without asking your conscious brain for permission. Stress can modulate that rhythm through nerve signals and stress hormones. But the primary driver, day after day, is the clock running quietly inside your gut. In some people, the housekeeping wave is weakened or skips entirely. Their gut never quite finishes its cleanup between meals. In such cases, bacteria in the small intestine can multiply unchecked. Research suggests a link to a condition called small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, though diagnosis requires a doctor. Which means a quiet stomach is not always the healthy one. In some cases, total silence may mean the gut's housekeeper has gone missing. So the growl is not weakness. It is not embarrassment either. It is maintenance. It is your body quietly doing the dishes. This kind of peristaltic motion is shared across nearly every animal with a gut. From earthworms to whales, the wave keeps moving on. Inside you, this rhythm has been running since the day you were born. And it will keep running, mostly in silence, for the rest of your life. So next time your stomach rumbles in a perfectly silent room, remember, it is not asking you for food. It is cleaning house, on a schedule far older than any human memory.